My name is Mike Chadwick. I work for Storm Products and I'm the CIO. We manufacture high-performance bowling balls and also sell accessories and shirts and bags and anything else that goes along with bowling. We've been with Innovia for about 1.5 years now. We met them at the NAV user group focus, and we were looking for a new partner and decided to give Innovia a try. When we were started looking for a new partner, we did a whole bunch of homework talking to different partners and also, most importantly, different users, asking them how they liked their partners and finding out if they had any issues with their partners. And all in all, the people that we talked to that were with Innovia had no issues, where all the other users actually had issues with their partners. And so we decided, hey, let's give these guys a try. We never had really high expectations just because of our experience with other partners that never really could do what they said they were going to do. You talk to anybody, any salesman's going to tell you what you want to hear. Yes, we'll hit this deadline. Yes, we can do this for you. But the highest praise I can give is that Innovia actually did that for us. They did our upgrade and they were on time with it. They followed through with all their promises. And so I would say that would be definitely how they met my expectations or exceeded it.